Shugor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka East Khasi Hills District Badminton Association kalapin kutno yakatan East Khasi Hills District Open Badminton Championship arjar arpuhendriu hakalai potri unaitung arjar arpuhendriu hagiliet sports arena kaba hamaulai mauro hagani sngile don lang wemeli ka penthor umkra constituency bad ubalong chairman ka state government program implementation and monitoring committee uba elhek lalu kumukongsan kumju uba Olan Singh Sun, MLA Kamausan Ram constituency, Bat Ubalong Uko chairman ka State Planning Board kum Usmbut Kongsan, haringkat kedukot ka East Khasi Hills District Badminton Association, Meghalaya Badminton Association, kikana bat kibe. Hagani kedumpung lawan shimbenta palat chis pangut kikana elekai kibla shimbenta, hagakedan elekai under 13, under 15, under 17, but under 19.
And his partner Sheetal Joshi. The runners-up is Aaron S. Momin and his partner Anji Nora S. Momin.
National Badminton you look like Shrika. Come on.
Colleague in the assembly, Sewin, and also we have all the organizers for creating the platform for all our youths. Today I've seen the youths, both the boys and girls, are getting the platform to showcase their talents. I really congratulate to each one of you. In the game, of course, there's a winner and also the loser, but I always telling the people, our youths today, all the participants are the winner. All of you are the winners and congratulations.